Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix we found errors in your file history settings in Windows 11, 10. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open file history service, change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type chkdsk space, /r space, /c:, type y. Restart system. Third method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel. Click file history. Turn off and turn on again. Fourth method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel. Click history, select drive. Fifth method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open file history service, stop the service. Right click start button, click run, copy text from description and paste it. Delete all files and folders. Restart file history service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.